What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change language to English in Taobao. So you might be wondering, how to exactly change or update the language here on Taobao? Well, doing so is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and basically go ahead and open up the Taobao mobile app. Now at the bottom right of your screen, you want to go ahead and click on your profile. So let's go ahead and click on this one. Now go ahead and click on the gear icon that you see at the top right of your screen. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on the fifth option that you are currently seeing on your screen. So let's go ahead and click on this one. Now from here, what we need to do first is we want to select the correct region. So in this case, at the very top, you want to go ahead and click on this one. And you want to use any translation app that you can use on, like, for example, another phone. Now you maybe want to borrow someone's phone, like a friend, or if I'm a member here, just basically translate the words in here. Now depending on your region, they would have their appropriate translations here. So I've actually chosen Australia here. So since I've chosen Australia, my region, you want to go ahead and just close this one. And you want to go ahead and click on the second option that you see here. Now from here, you should be able to see the English option or basically the option to switch over to that specific language. Now again, this actually depends on your region. So in this case, as you can see, we have English. Go ahead and click on this one. And it's going to update that. Now you may need to change to a different one here. So as you can see, it's now in English in mine. So you could just switch over to, in this case, to your correct region here. So by the way, if you're having any problems, maybe select some random country or region here until you see the option here for English. And once you've done that, just select your appropriate region, like Australia here, as you can see, and just click on confirm once you've done that. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.